welcome to Cooking with Keith. Today's show is going to be part of our ABC series, and we're going to Egypt, and we're going to make some Egyptian style kebabs. And we have a special treat for dessert, and we're going to make some nice chicken stock based rice to serve with the kebabs. So just remember, this channel here is about elevating your RV cooking experience, because cooking is more than just hot dogs. RVing is more than just hot dogs. RV camping is more than just hot dogs. Screw that one up. So the chicken kebabs, the chicken itself that we've sliced up, we're going to roll it and place it on the skewers. But we're going to marinate it in a marinade that's yogurt based with some herbs and some white wine vinegar. So to start with, I'm going to put about 6 big tablespoons of yogurt. A little mix. Okay, there. We've got a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We've got a 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. We've got, I don't have any cardamom, so we're using cinnamon, so that's a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. We have 1 teaspoon of curry. And we have about a 1/2 teaspoon of dried mustard. To that, we're going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar. Teaspoon, of vinegar. And we're going to add the juice of 1/2 lemon. My cameraman has me calling them limes. We're going to mix that up. I'm going to do a little taste test. Pour that in the bag. Aside, squeeze the air out of the bag, and we're just going to gently massage the chicken into the marinade. Take it all around and make sure that every piece of chicken gets to be kissed by the marinade. And we're going to place that in the cooler or the fridge. Ideally, I'd like to do it for about a 1/2 hour or more, but we're going to do it for about 20 minutes. So the kebabs themselves are going to be the chicken. We're going to have some tomato, we're going to have some pepper, and we're going to have some red onion. So you guys can all sit back and take a break. I'm going to prepare the vegetables for the kebabs. And then, okay, great. Now we're going to put the rice on. What I have here is 2 cups of jasmine rice that I've rinsed. I'm going to put that in the pot. And the ratio for the jasmine rice is, for every 1 cup of rice, it's 2 cups of water. But we're using chicken stock to add additional flavor to the rice. We're going to turn this on to about 400. Bring it to a boil. And then once it's boiled, we'll let it simmer for about 20 minutes. put the lid on. And there we go. What I'm going to do, John, is put her on the... Great, now we're going to start to assemble the skewers. So you can use bamboo skewers if you've soaked them in the water, but my deluxe barbecue set included these kind of skewers. And what we're going to do is we're going to start off with chicken, onion, and then put the peppers and everything in there. So I'm going to take the meat, because it was sliced chicken breast. Just going to give it a little roll. Put that one on there. And I'm going to grab some onion on there. Skewer some more chicken. Piece of pepper. A little more onion. Piece of chicken. I'll go with another pepper. Got some tomatoes I want to use up. So put some tomato on there. Another piece of pepper. Another chicken. A little more onion. I'll put one more piece of chicken on here. And a piece of pepper. Okay, so that's one kebab. We're going to do 4 more of these. So you can pause it. We've put the kebabs on the grill, and they'll take about 8 to 10 minutes to cook. We'll leave them 4 minutes, 5 minutes per side, then we'll turn them, and then we'll serve them.